Hey, this is Jamie at the GPS store. Today we're going to take a quick look at the Raymarine A-Series 12-inch models. The A-Series 12-inch models come in three different variations. The first one is the A125, which is a GPS alone. The A127, which is the GPS with the standard fish finder, and the A128, which is the GPS fish finder and the down vision chirp sounder. So we're going to start by looking at some of the add-ons to this unit. The unit is compatible with FusionLink. What FusionLink is, FusionLink will allow you to connect to a compatible Fusion stereo and have full control of the stereo right from your A-Series display. Things like adjusting volume, changing channel can all be done right from this display. You have the document viewer, which will actually put the manual right at your fingertips. Any other document that would be a PDF style can be opened from this display as well, but the most important thing is that you have your manual right here on the display. There's also camera inputs on the A-Series units. There's a traditional camera, so if you want to put a camera in the cockpit, the engine room, you have that right here. It is also compatible with the FLIR and Raymarine thermal imaging cameras, which you see right here. With certain cameras, you do have full control of settings and pan, tilt, and zoom right from your A-Series display. Right here you have your home screen, where you have quick access buttons to different display setups of the A-Series unit. You can also customize these as well. First you have your chart, so if you touch that, we'll see the chart plotter screen, which has the lighthouse navigation charts that are included with the A-Series unit. You have your fish finder, which here we have our traditional fish finder display. Right up in the top right hand corner you'll see the menu button, which will give you options for this display, things like changing range, scrolling, sensitivity settings. All the traditional settings in a fish finder will be right there in your menu. Over here on the left you also have two quick buttons where you can change settings on the fly without having to go in that menu. For example, right here we have our gain, which is set to auto, but you can adjust the gain accordingly in here to manually select it. So there you see we're at 84%. You can also just click auto and go back to the auto gain. And here's your radar screen where you see your radar sweep. You can customize these pages, so right there we have a dual chart where you'll have two different chart looks. So you can zoom in on one and stay zoomed out on the other. For example, right here in Miami, you'll see our location on a tighter zoom on the right, and we actually have the radar overlay on that one, and here on the left is a broader zoom to kind of give you a better representation of where we are geographically. The right is naturally going to be better for your navigation. The left would be more for your orientation of where you are compared to the coast or your waypoints. The A-Series is also compatible with the satellite weather module. Right here we have a radar sweep and the satellite weather on the right hand side. With the additional module you can see things like current conditions, you can get wave height, wave direction, sea surface temperatures, precipitation. There's actually a little precipitation here on the display right now. You can get forecasts for your current location, or if you touch to a different spot, you can also get forecasts for that location as well. The data button will bring you to your data screens. Some of the data is embedded right here in the unit, but you can also expand on that. If you have a NEMA 2000 compatible engine, with some cabling you can hook that up to the display, and with your different displays here you can see things like fuel consumption, oil pressure, engine temperature. That's all coming from the NEMA 2000 transfer from your engines. But there's 6 different displays in here, and some of it is just data that's already included with your chart plotter. So here on the home screen you can see different customized displays. We can set one of those up. You can have any variation that you want of the different items that are connected to your A-Series unit. You just hit the customize button, hit home screen, and then hit edit page, and you'll see blank buttons come up here. If you touch one of those, you'll get the different options. What we're going to do is a split screen, and we're going to do 2 on the split screen. So we're going to select chart as 1, and then we're going to go down and we're going to pick the FLIR thermal imaging camera. So you can see here we've set up a chart and camera page. So when you go to this page, you would see your FLIR thermal imaging camera on the right hand side and your chart on the left, so that you can see where the targets on your FLIR camera are. On the right hand side where the FLIR is, you'd also have full control of your FLIR camera. If you have a pan, tilt, and zoom model, you can do that all right from the A-series display. Other features that are included with the A-series units are going to be Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Wi-Fi will allow you to hook up to a smartphone or tablet for control or a secondary display. Bluetooth technology will let you stream audio from Bluetooth device to the unit and then have control of that audio direct from your A-series display. That's a quick look at the Raymarine A-series chart plotter sounder modules. We have the units in stock. They're readily available. If you have any additional questions, you can visit our website at www.thegpsstore.com or give us a call at toll-free 1-800-477-2611. Thanks for watching.